are so happy and excited to be opening up our neonatal intensive care unit here at East Kootenay Regional Hospital. Our new NICU will allow babies and their families to stay closer to home right here at our East Kootenay Regional Hospital. Some of the key upgrades in the new space include our new medication room, our state-of-the-art equipment and baby beds, our isolation room, and we're especially proud to have an infant abduction prevention system that will increase the safety for all of our parents and families staying at the unit.
So the upgrades to the NICU are both incredibly personal to me, but also I'm incredibly proud in my profession to be able to be a part of opening this NICU. There's many things that I'm most excited about, but one being the amount of equipment we're able to obtain, this state-of-the-art equipment. We're going to be able to keep our babies younger. We're going to be able to care for them better with the advances that were provided. And the training that came with it, we also obtained a neonatal educator with the funding, who's just been instrumental in the planning of this NICU as well.
Some of the key upgrades to the new space compared to the previous NICU include our convertible bed spaces for the babies, specialized respiratory equipment, and a freezer where we can now provide pasteurized donor human milk to our babies. These new upgrades to our space are going to have a significant impact on the way our team is able to function together. Our new patient isolates are convertible. This allows us to lift the top up should we need quick access, and it allows us to drop the top where we can keep the temperature stable and warm for the babies as they grow. One of the very special pieces of equipment we've received is a cooling machine. The cooling machine allows us to cool the brain and bodies of babies to decrease the risk of brain injury. Another exciting piece of equipment that we've obtained is the vein viewer. This allows us to visualize our baby's tiny and fragile veins when we're trying to insert an intravenous line, and allows us to do so with fewer pokes.
The neonatal intensive care unit will provide specialized care to babies 34 weeks and older. Families all across the East Kootenays will be able to access this care.
This NICU has been years in the making. I've been here for a very long time, predominantly in my 26-year career working in obstetrics and labor delivery and with our neonates. And I never thought we'd see a level 3 NICU, let alone a NICU, open up in the East Kootenay area.
On behalf of our very grateful team here in the East Kootenay Regional Hospital, I just want to thank all of the donors and sponsors that have been so generous in providing the funds to make this possible.
Yeah, I would just like to say a huge thank you to everybody involved, but especially I want to thank our donors. Your contributions are going to reach so many families that wouldn't otherwise be impacted, and I'm just so grateful for your generosity.